What are the links between climate change, agriculture and food? I'm Dr. Stewart Jennings. I'm a postdoctoral research fellow on climate change impacts and adaptation at the University of Leeds. Climate change can impact lots of things to do with the food system, including where we grow crops and even how we grow crops. In the UK, climate change impacts could mean that we need to grow, for example, potatoes earlier in the growing season, or in sub-Saharan Africa, this could mean that farmers need to plant maize at different times of the year to cope with differences in when the rains come. Some of the most important impacts include climate change extreme events, such as droughts, floods, and some of the record-breaking high temperatures we saw in 2022. The impacts can be devastating, including crop failures. In order to cope with climate change, we need to adapt using techniques such as growing different crops, planting them at different times, and in some cases just diversifying away from the staple crops that we're all used to. And very importantly, we need to think about how some of the risks and vulnerabilities are going to be different in different regions. For example, in the UK, climate change could mean food prices increasing, whereas in sub-Saharan Africa, this could mean that people simply don't have enough food to eat. So it's vital that we act now to address the problem of climate change. We need to adapt in a way where emissions aren't going to increase as a result of the changes we put in place now. What's your question?